think I found the most beautiful place in the world. Hey everybody, M.A. Baxter here, friends call me Andy. I hope you do too. We are on Fiji Island at the waterfalls. Check this out behind us. Met a super nice guy from Israel, Roy. Having a great time. This is a beautiful place, folks. You need to come visit this one day. If you can make it, come visit this place. Okay, day 2 wrap up. We went to visit a waterfall, which was spectacular. Water was very, very cold though, so it was still refreshing though. We got rained on, no big deal. Had some very good food, met some stupendously nice people, and possibly made some friends that we'll have for a long time, I hope. But yeah, Fiji is everything that you can possibly think that it is, especially this part. Now, the downside, getting around to these places are pretty rural, very rough dirt roads. But the drivers are very capable. They handle themselves well. Most of what I've seen so far of Fiji, except for the resort areas, pretty third worldish, but the people are just incredibly nice and generous. Like I said earlier, we met I guess you would call him a citizen of the earth, who just travels. He works on his laptop designing websites so he can work from anywhere on the planet, and that was his thing. You know, right now he's going from island to island in the nation of Fiji, visiting each island and experiencing each island. Very cool guy, very cool attitude. So that's all I got for today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.